Good morning, friends. Hello, hello. It's Mrs. Love. It is Friday, December 14th. And if you're watching this, that means you have followed directions in your announcements or email, and you know that I am not here today. So you will not have a live history class. Instead, you're going to do the activity that I'm going to explain to you in this video. This is for Unit 6, Lesson 7, and you should have read Chapter 47. You're going to follow the directions to complete this lesson on your own, and it will close on Sunday by 11:30. Okay, what you're going to be learning about in this lesson is Woodrow Wilson and how he became president, and we're going to talk about a little bit about his foreign policy and how it was different than presidents before him. Okay, the first thing I want you to do is there's a link to the video that I want you to watch. I will email you the link, so you should have an email with everything you need to complete this lesson. So you can pause this recording, go to your email or the class announcement and find the link for the video, watch the video, then come back to this recording. So pause, watch video, come back. Okay, you're back. So I'm assuming that you were able to see that quick little video about Woodrow Wilson. And now for the rest of for the next step, your second task is to open the Google form link that is in your email and class announcements and answer these two questions. How do you think the world would be different if Roosevelt had been elected for a third term instead of Wilson becoming the president? Question number 2. Do you think that presidents should be limited to how many years they can serve in office? And tell me why you think that. Answer those two questions, pause this video, go answer your questions, then come back and move on to the next thing. All right, the third thing for you is you're going to read the next 2 slides, and then you're going to open your book to chapter 47 to complete the rest of this lesson. All right, the slides were emailed to you, so you have those, or you could just read it from this recording. You can pause, read, and then resume the recording. All right. So this slide, I want you to read it, but I'm going to give you a little explanation. This is a pyramid, and it starts at the bottom. It shows the progression of Woodrow Wilson's life from when he was a child up until he was president of the United States. And we can see all his accomplishments, and you're going to read more about them in a moment. All right, so what you're going to be doing for the rest of today's lesson, you're going to use your book, chapter 47, which is also copied into the lesson slides. So if you don't have your book handy, you can just open the lesson slides and read from there. But you're going to complete a worksheet about Woodrow Wilson. I want you to include 3 sentences for each section of the worksheet. And I'm going to show it to you in a minute. The worksheet can either be downloaded from the online school for Unit 6, Lesson 7, or it'll be in the email that I sent you this morning, so you can get it from there. Just make sure when you open that file, save it to your computer before you start typing on it. That's really important, or it won't save your work. After you're done typing it, save it again. So you make sure when you send it back to me, it has all your answers on it. Okay? You're going to fill it out. When you're all finished, you're going to go to your assignment submission folder in your history class, and you're going to upload it there. The name of the assignment submission folder is Unit 6, Lesson 7, Graded Assignment. This is graded. Here's what it looks like. You're going to fill in 3 sentences about each topic about Woodrow Wilson. 3 sentences about his childhood, 3 sentences about him as government, 3 sentences about him as president, 3 sentences about him as a college professor, 3 sentences about him as a college student. Where are you going to find that information? Not on Google, not on Wikipedia, not anywhere on the internet. You are going to find that information in your book. So you can flip through the slides that I sent to you in the email and read it there. I'm even telling you what page in the book, or you can just open your book and find it there. Remember, you must upload your finished worksheet to the assignment submission folder to get credit. Please do not send this to me in an email. I do not want emails. I will not grade it if you send it to me in an email. Okay? I am not available today, so if you have any questions, you'll have to send me an email, but I won't be able to answer it until Monday. Okay? This is your homework for the weekend. Finish this assignment and all of the other assignments that we have done this week. Make sure your quiz is completed, and then read chapter 48 for Monday. Have a fabulous day and a fabulous weekend. Bye, everyone.